Welcome back to Primetime News, and a very special welcome to those of you joining us online at onespotmedia.com. Now, first this evening, ahead of the new fare increase which takes effect on Sunday, uncertainty is growing amongst commuters. Sandy Williams has our first story.
Effective Sunday, October 15, 2023, commuters on public passenger vehicles will start paying 19% more on existing fares. The public transport sector has not received a fare hike since 2021, when the government approved a 25% increase, which permitted operators to charge between $115 to $130. However, bus and taxi operators have been charging $150. It's why commuters are now confused about the amount they should pay.
They did not take the $115 that the government increased it to. They took $150. Now, is it that they're going to put the increase on the $115 or the $150? Because 19% of the $115 would have brought it up to about $135 or $36. If it's a 32% increase, then that would have brought it up to $155. So I want to know if it is that they're going to put the increase on the $150 or the $115.
Some operators say they will be charging $200, adding that the increase was long overdue.
Toll bills are alright, man. Toll bills are alright. Things expensive and them thing there, and if you're really cheap. So would I like it for a raise long time.
Warren Burford, a bus operator, explains why he believes $200 would be fitting.
I look on from half a tree to the tavern for $150 and look how long that is. That really and truly are up there if we're going about, we can't go up there. If we go up there, we can't buy about gas oil. That we have bought 25,000 like gas oil for a day.
The increase for some popular routes not serviced by the Jamaica Urban Transit Company are as follows. Passengers traveling from Maxfield Avenue to Halfway Tree are to pay $130, up from $115. From Tavern or Kentire to Papine, $140, up from $115. And for rural areas, passengers traveling from Kingston to Savlamar will pay $1,350, and from Montego Bay to Kingston, $1,190. Kingston to Ocho Rios moves to $550, while passengers traveling from Kingston to Mandeville will pay $630. A further 16% increase will take effect April next year. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.